Hey everybody, we are going to do Fannie Never Flinched again today. We're going to work through the next chapter or two. I have it up in front of me here, the cover. And then remember, I'm going to show you again quick how you can get it so you can bring it up and read it on your own if you want to. If you don't want to read it on your own, I'm going to read it to you as well. So Fannie Never Flinched. Remember, it's one woman's courage in the struggle for American labor union rights. Our learning targets for this unit in this book would be I can make predictions about what I will read. I can identify examples of cause and effect. This is going to be our big one today. Our big target will be you identifying cause and effect. I can use the problem and solution structure with nonfiction. I can compare and contrast information in a chapter. I can put events in chronological order, and I can build my vocabulary. Just a reminder, if you want to access the book, go to the slideshow and click on slide 3, and it will show you how Ms. Lurie does it. You go to Middle School East, and then you click on Media Center, and then you click on Mackinvia, M-A-C-K-I-N-V-I-A. That'll bring you to get the digital download book. It should be in your backpack from yesterday if you saved it. Your digital backpack. All right, slide 4. When we see here, today we're going to be talking about cause and effect. Cause and effect, the cause is why something happened, and the effect is what happened. So one of the examples I gave to the 7th grade class earlier today was my daughter was learning how to use the microwave, and she put in one of those bricks of cream cheese, right, with like the tin foil around it, if you know what I'm talking about, Philadelphia block of cheese, and she wanted to soften it for her bagel. But she threw the whole thing in, and that metal tinfoil-y thing is not supposed to be in the microwave, but she didn't know that. So she put it in, she turned it on, and then it was like fireworks were coming from our microwave. And so the cause was that she put tinfoil in the microwave. The effect was fireworks in our kitchen, which isn't really super fun. So anyway, she won't probably do that again. If you look over here and you see this graphic, it says, I don't sing because I am happy. I am happy because I sing. And then another example, if we get a big snowstorm, then I will go snowshoeing. So if it snows enough, the effect would be me going snowshoeing. Or Mr. Parkin will make some delicious brownies if he follows the recipe carefully, right? The effect would be delicious brownies because he followed it correctly. Otherwise, if you add too much sugar or salt, the effect would be bad brownies, right? It isn't always this straightforward though, but there's going to be lots of examples here in our reading about because something happens, something else, there is an effect from it. So I want you to be paying close attention to cause and effect when I do the read aloud here. So what's required for you today is when we read through this chapter, there are several examples of one thing causing another thing to happen, and I want you to list 3 of them. So you can go ahead and just type right on this slideshow and then click turn it in, and I'll know that I can go ahead and reference what you wrote. So you all have, each of these is unique to you, to each and every one of you. You get your own little slideshow to type away on. And then the last slide you need to do before you hit turn it in is Fannie stitches together a dream. This chapter gives the audience some important information. We need to know who the main character is and what is the setting, so the time and the place. And it'll tell you that right at the beginning of the chapter. So I'll go ahead and explain that to you as well. Interesting or unusual words. So these are work, garment, stifling, toil. Those are all different words. Other things we'll talk about is onomatopoeias, which remember is like splash. So the word makes the noise. Or buzz is another one. Buzz is actually buzz. The sound that it makes is the word. So we'll go ahead and look for some of those as we read through here. So finish slides 5 and 6 and then click in the turn in button. All right. I am going to go ahead and read. So go ahead and click on the next one for the reading. Have a great day.